Hello everyone, and today we have an unboxing. Well, I should say an unbagging. See if we can get it out of here. Came in one of those and a trash bag. Came with a regular toolkit, a few little plastic bags, a white tray, and a pink pin, and a 7-placer. Ooh, I got a prize. I got stickers. Can we see those? They look like frozen stickers. Okay. Whoops. Sorry about that. I need to hit the thing. And get it out of there. See if I can just dump it. Okay. This came from AliExpress. Let's see if you can. And it's a round diamond painting. There's what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like, guys. Never ordered from this store before. Well, I think we got the worst scissors here. There we go. And they used masking tape. Okay, that's different. But it came right off. No worries. Okay, this is called The Girl and the Dragon. It's a 40 by 50. I paid $18.30. I got it from the Nian store. I will show that to you. I don't know that I'm doing that correctly or not. There you go. And let me turn on it now. Light here. Get some light in here. There we go. Maybe we can see the painting a little bit better. Sorry about that, all y'all. It's rolled up nicely. You know, if you saw my stickers, they're frozen stickers. My granddaughter will love that because she is a frozen fanatic. Sorry about the dog. Let me just get this. Ugh. Come on. Oh, you're just not going to do it, are you? Okay. Here we go. Came with a foam core. Woo. Okay. I don't need to see that anymore. See if we can get it to lay flat at one end while I try to get the other one in. It's all in one piece. Let me turn it around. Hang on, guys. Sorry, I'm terrible at this. It says Drill Shiny at the top of this, but I don't believe that's not the name of the store that I got it from. There we go. Ooh, nice symbols. Nice symbols. Okay, I'm gonna have to come this way. And come up this way. I hate it when they do this in one full piece. See if I can get a hold of it and just pull. Now I'm stuck. The canvas itself is really sticky. Let me pull this back just a little bit more so you can see it. And I will hold it up. There you go. Looks really nice. Oh, great. Now we got it stuck to the table. Great. I don't see any rivers or anything, so that'll be good. The drill field, let me put this back down, guys, and go from the other direction because it's just wanting to curl. But it looks really nice. I'm really pleased. I've never ordered from this store before. I don't even think I ordered from Drill Shiny. before as far as that goes. I was going to pull this back so you could see the drill field. And the drill field is real clear. And it looks pretty detailed. I like it. You can see the lady. Where is she? The lady, and she's riding a dragon, and the dragon's all down in here with all of his spikes and claws and things. Looks pretty cool. Let's take a look at the drills now. Oops. Come on, play nice. Please. We'll get that in a minute. Okay. The drills look like they're the kinds that are all attached, which I like, together. And I'll tell you here in a minute how many colors it has. It looks like 40 colors. I'm glad it came with this inventory sheet like this, because on the canvas, it's really small. Really small. Can you see that? Yeah. So, I'm glad we've got this big drill, this sheet. Ow. Sorry about the dog. I just got home and had to do this. But it has some really nice colors. They seem to be like fall colors. The biggest amount... Sorry, I have to shut the door. The one with the most drills is 310, of course, but it doesn't look too dark. I mean, except for maybe down in here where the dragon is. So, I don't think it'll be too bad. They're pretty even. And then the next biggest is 814. And the drills seem to be good. I don't see any drills that are like sticking together or anything like that. I'll know better when I get into it. And then it has like several shades of rust and orange, and then it goes to the golds and the yellow. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just lay them down and hold my light so you can see the pretty colors. And there's some muted green, and there's another shade of the rusty brown and yellow. Then it even goes to a peach. And I think the brightest, this is the brightest orange, the 922. And there's the dark. There was just a few. There's like 12 of the 310s. So we'll see how well it goes. I like how the canvas looks. It seems to be nice and clear and bright and easy to read. I don't think we'll have a problem there. Let me put this back. I'll do inventory later. Make sure that they're all there. I'll let you know if there was any problems. I'll post that, but I'm not going to do inventory right now. I just think it's kind of boring to sit through somebody's inventory. It's not a have-to kind of thing. Well, please, are you kidding? It's just going to be a pain. The glue does extend like about a quarter, or a little bit under half an inch, and then this is a little bit over a quarter on each side, on this side, so that's why I keep sticking my hand in it. I just love it when I rip these. But I usually change them off with parchment paper, which I haven't had a problem with. I buy it at the grocery store, and it comes in the sheets that are skinny. They're probably what, 6-8 inches by 12 or 14. So, all right. Well, thank you for being here while I showed you this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell so you can find out when I have the next video. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.